Two men were killed in separate armed robbery incident in Manchester on Friday night. Police named the deceased men as Dwayne Carter, 36, a construction worker of Job Lane, Christiana, and Tafari Barrett, 33, a farmer of Huddersfield District near Christiana. In the first incident about 10 p.m., Carter was among patrons at a nightclub in Savoy District when gunmen held up a club and robbed people of cash, cell phones, and liquor. A bag was demanded from Carter and he resisted and was shot dead. Police said a female was taken outside the nightclub and assaulted. In the second incident, in Huddersfield about 10:30 p.m., Barrett were among patrons at a bar when two men, one armed with a handgun, entered and robbed patrons. Police said after the men robbed Barrett of his phone, he ran and was shot in the head. A Jamaica defense soldier died on Friday night from injuries he sustained in a three-vehicle crash in St. Anne. He has been identified as Private Chavin Allen, who succumbed at the hospital. The collision occurred along the Richmond Main Road. In a statement this afternoon, the JDF expressed sadness at Allen's passing and offered condolences to his family, friends, and loved ones. According to the Army, his motor car and a white Toyota Oxio collided with a truck that was traveling in the opposite direction. The JDF says Allen and the other persons involved in the accident were taken to the Senans Bay Regional Hospital for treatment. The soldier later succumbed. The JDF says it will continue to support his loved ones during this time of bereavement. A 5-year-old died from injuries he sustained after a hit-and-run in Bunkers Hill, Frankfield, Clarendon on Wednesday. The child has been identified as Damaris Davy, a student at Bunkers Hill Primary in Franksfield in the parish. The driver is reportedly on the run. Reports from the Frankfield police said at about 3:17 p.m., Davy was walking along the roadway with his mother when the driver of a white Toyota Probox motor car lost control of the vehicle and hit him. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.